Hey guys, I have another master key set. Now these are all individual keys to different locks. FIC, great keys. I'm gonna have you look up close at these things right now. I don't think it'd make a good necklace, but if you're in the maintenance department world, you need these keys. You get them from bluedogkeys.com. Yeah, let's get a close-up look. Here's a close-up look. They're all steel keys, no plastic heads, and they are individually marked. Isn't that cool? Now we're going to have an AI program read you what these keys are about, okay? Let's get into the show. Hey guys, so here it is. Here's the keys. Wow. I could tell you about them, but I'm going to let AI tell you about it. Watch this. This is going to freak you out. This is Gemini. Read me this post. Get ready.
The post is titled Door and Lock Tips and was posted 3 days ago with an edit. It advertises the Unlock FIC Locks FIC Complete Tryout Set, 2 inches available at a specific URL, link to bluedogkeys.com. The post describes the set as essential for locksmiths specializing in FIC locks, designed for mastery and precision. It covers a range of CW codes from CW401 to CW434, excluding CW421, and is intended for comprehensive FIC lock servicing and troubleshooting. The keys in the set are described as meticulously crafted to meet high industry standards for durability and reliability. The set aims to ensure seamless operation, minimize lockout risks, and improve service quality and efficiency for locksmiths. It's presented as a definitive solution for professionals seeking to enhance their FIC lock expertise and deliver exceptional results. The post concludes by listing the specific CW codes included in the set: CW401, CW402, CW403, CW404, CW400.
Okay, I think you get it. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I want to show you how I've helped you a little further on this. Now here, right here, are these keys. It's on my community post. Just go to my community post. I'll leave a link down in the description. And it has that same information. And it's showing the keys. Is that cool or what? Yeah, I'm liking it. There's the information about the keys. So you won't be lost. Get these keys from bluedogkeys.com. Thanks again, guys. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Door and lock tips. Thanks again. Yeah. I think it's time to hit that like button. Share this with your friends. Maybe watch some more videos. Hey guys, so I want to show you a little thing that you may not know about YouTube. Do you know about posting? Posting. So if you go to my main cover page, which looks like this, isn't that cool? And you go to the word post. Now under that word, you're going to notice all kinds of goodies. Look at my latest posts. Now, if you want to learn a lot of in-depth things, go to my posts. I have all kinds of articles that I have posted about engravers. Look at this cool one right here. It's a little pricey, but boy, is that a beaut. Look at that thing. All right, now, keep going down. And we're going to go down to, ooh, there's a good one, lubrication to use on your lock picking adventures. Oh, there's a portable, compact design fume extractor. That is great. It's made by this company right here, Nova Spig. That's a great company, by the way. And then You can see all about leashes, the reference guide, and you're going to keep going down. There's a great ladder if you need it. We're going to go down to something that'll be near and dear to your heart because it has a lot of relevance on this video today. Now, if you go past where the wrench, this is a great tool, by the way. There's generic code. Now, that's the software you're going to need to cut some of these keys that are not pre-cut. And this is all by bluedogkeys.com. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the key of our choice today. That is going to be, I highly suggest you go to Blue Dog Keys and get these bad boys. It will make your life a lot easier. It really will. And the cool thing about my posts, they stay up there like a website forever. I have a hot link that takes you straight to their keys at bluedogkeys.com. So if you're a locksmith, you can buy them from these guys. But if you're not, and you tell them your story, maybe you're a gold miner way up in the Yukon, and you say, hey, I need these keys, and they might just cut you a deal. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just telling you. I would try it if you gotta have these keys. Explain it to Phil. He's a great guy, and he'll probably be able to allow you to do certain things that may not otherwise be available to most people, especially if you're a gold miner and you have a show up in the Yukon. Maybe Gold Rush. Ooh, yeah. So Blue Dog Keys is a way to get this stuff. I have in-depth posts. I really do. You just go to this ribbon and you just touch post, and there's the goodies. You may not have known that about YouTube. It's really a great thing. I love it. Highly suggest it. And there's a key engraver you won't regret. So there you have it, guys. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tip. I hope you have enjoyed the show. Again, Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Hey, guys.